హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మ్యాథ్స్ 1Bలో లిమిట్స్ అనే టాపిక్ గురించి ఇప్పుడు డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. నౌ ఫస్ట్ ఎవాల్యుయేట్ లిమిట్ ఎక్సిస్టెన్స్ టు 3 x power of 4 minus 81 by 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Here numerator value is x power of 4 minus 81. It is right x square whole square minus 81, it will be right 9 square. So here numerator we using on the a square minus b square, it will be get a plus b into a minus b. And here denominator value is how much here? Denominator value is 2x square minus 5x minus 3. It is one of the quadratic polynomial. Now 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. Then will be get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to minus 3. Now first find out this quadratic polynomial factors. So by using on the factorization method, now a into c, it will be get 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6 and b value is minus 5. Now any two values multiplication, it will be get minus 6 and adding will be get minus 5. So those are numbers are minus 6 into 1, it will be get minus 6, minus 6 plus 1, it will be get minus 5. So here we take minus 6 and 1. Now here we take 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Now next here we write 2x square minus 5x, it will be right minus 6x plus x minus 3. Why? Because here we write minus 6x plus 1x. Why? Because here we get factors are minus 6 comma 1. So that's why here we write minus 6x plus 1x. Then here first two terms, here we commoning 2x, it will be get x minus 3. Last two terms here we commoning plus 1, then will be get same factor, that means x minus 3. So finally here x minus 3 is common, then will be get 2x plus 1. So 2x square minus 5x minus 3 factors are x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. Now here we write denominator values 2x square minus 5x minus 3, it will be right 2 factors x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. Now next numerator we using on the a square minus b square, it will be right limit existence to 3. Here we write x square plus 9, x square minus 9. And next step, here we write limit existence to 3, x square plus 9. Now x square minus 9 is right this like x square minus 3 square. Again we using on the this identity a square minus b square, it will be right a plus b into a minus b. That's why here we write x plus 3 into x minus 3. Now denominator value x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. Here common factors are x minus 3, no? So those are cancel. Then here we get limit existence to 3 x square plus 9 into x plus 3 by 2x plus 1. Now here we applying the x equal to 3 in this one, it will be get 3 square plus 9 into 3 plus 3 by 2 into 3 plus 1. So 3 square is equal to 9 plus 3, sorry plus 9, and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Next denominator value 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Now here we write 9 plus 9, 18 and into 6 by 7. So here any cancelling chances is there? So here no chance is there. So finally here we write 18 into 6, it will be get 108 by 7. It is the final answer. second one in limit x tends to 3, x cube minus 3x square by x square minus 5x plus 6. Here we want this one. Now first limit x tends to 3. In numerator we commoning x square, it will be get, here we commoning numerator x square we commoning will be get x minus 3, and denominator also factorization it will be get x minus 2 into x minus 3. So by using on the factorization method it will be get two factors. So common factors are x minus 3, no, so those are cancelling. Finally it will be get limit x tends to 3, x square by x minus 2. Now on applying x equal to 3 in this one, it will be get 3 square by 3 minus 2. So 3 square is equal to 9 and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 9 by 1 is equal to 9. So finally limit x tends to 3, x cube minus 3x square by x square minus 5x plus 6 value is 9. Now next third sum, limit x tends to 3, x cube minus 6x square plus 9x by x square minus 9. Denominator value is x square minus 9. So now here numerator we commoning x in this one, it will be get x square minus 6x plus 9, and denominator we write this like x square minus 9 means here we write 3 square. Now next x square minus 6x plus 9 factors will be get x minus 3 whole square, and denominator we using on this identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now next step here we write limit x tends to 3, x into x minus 3 whole square by x plus 3 into x minus 3. Now here we commoning, we observe that one, so common factors are x minus 3, so those are x minus 3 cancelling. Finally limit x tends to 3, x into x minus 3 by x plus 3. Now here we are applying the x equal to 3 in this one, 3 into 3 minus 3 by 3 plus 3. Now next 3 into 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 by 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So 3 into 0, 0 by 6. 0 by 6 equal to 0. It is the final answer. Next fourth sum, limit x tends to 3, x square minus 8x plus 15 by x square minus 9. Here also denominator value is x square minus 9 is there, no, so here we write x square minus 3 square. Now factorization method, find out the numerator factors, so it will be get x minus 5 into x minus 3. So now next here we write limit x tends to 3, x minus 5 into x minus 3 by, here we using on the a square minus b square, it will be get a plus b into a minus b. Now common factors are x minus 3, so those are cancelling. Finally here we write limit x tends to 3, x minus 5 by x plus 3. Now here we are applying x equal to 3 in this one, finally it will be get 3 minus 5 by 3 plus 3. So numerator value is 3 minus 5 will be get minus 2 by 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So here 2 1 ja 2 3 ja get cancel. So finally we will be get minus 1 by 3 is the final answer. Fifth sum, limit x tends to 1, 2x minus 1 square root of x minus 1 by 2x square plus x minus 3. Here numerator value is 2x minus 1 into square root of x minus 1, and denominator value is 2x square plus x minus 3. Now first find out the denominator value factors. 2x square plus x minus 3 factors will be get by factorization method, will be get 2x plus 3 into x minus 1. Now here we write limit x tends to 1, numerator value 2x minus 1 into root x minus 1, and denominator value factors will be get 2x plus 3 into x minus 1. On observation, any common factor is there? No. Then here we write this like chill. Next, limit x tends to 1 to x minus 1 numerator value, and square root of x minus 1. Denominator is 2x plus 3. Here x minus 1 is there, no? So it is write this like x minus 1, it will be right root x whole square minus 1 square. So root x whole square will be get x, no? Next, minus 1 square is equal to 1. So here we using on the a square minus b square, it will be get a plus b into a minus b. So limit x tends to 1. So numerator values are here 2x minus 1 into root x minus 1, and denominator 2x plus 3 into, here we write by using on the a square minus b square, it will be get root x plus 1 into root x minus 1. Now here root x minus 1 is a common factors, no? So those are we cancelling. Finally it will be get limit x tends to 1 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 3 into root x plus 1. So now here we are applying x equal to 1 in this one. So 2 into 1 minus 1, and denominator 2 into 1 plus 3 root 1 plus 1. So 2 into 1 2 minus 1, it will be get 1. Next, denominator 2 into 1 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and square root of 1 plus 1, it will be get square root of 1 is equal to, we know, 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So finally numerator value is 1 and denominator value is 10. So fifth sum answer is 1 by 10.
Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you.
Please follow the second part.